It's time to talk about the Landhopper. That this name was filed with the Japanese Patent and Trademark Office happened not even a week after the 250 series started showing around the world. A new story from Japan says the newcomer will be shown for the first time at the Japan Mobility Show next month. It will happen from October 25th to November 25th. It used to be called the Tokyo Motor Show. The Landhopper is more of a secondary replacement for the FJ Cruiser, but Land Cruiser fans love to call it the Land Cruiser Mini. On the left side of the main picture is a body-on-frame 4x4. It will be sold in Japan in the second half of 2024. How is it a 2025 model? There should be a reason for it in the US. A lot of people say that the Landhopper, which is really called something else, is the least expensive Land Cruiser. Not more than 4 million yen, according to reports. It's said to be between 3 and 3.8 million yen, which is around $20,000 to $25,000 today. Because the Landhopper is so tough, it won't have much to offer in terms of power. Best Car believes the SUV will have either a 1.5-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine or a 2.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. The list also includes engines with 1.8 and 2.0 liters of displacement. Mixed oomph is still a possibility, though. Is that a new Tacoma? The 2.4-liter turbo hybrid engine is the best fuel-efficient option. This means that the Tundra has 3.4 liters, 2 turbochargers, and 6 cylinders. With 219 horsepower and 252 lb-ft, 342 Nm, the Landhopper should have enough power for a small SUV if it gets the 2.5-liter hybrid engine from the RAV4 Hybrid. Quick review, the midsize FJ Cruiser came with either a 6-speed manual or a 5-speed automatic gearbox and a 4.0-liter V6 engine. This engine, which is codenamed 1GRFE, can make 260 horsepower and 367 Nm of power.